Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright guys, today is the day. All of my mystery boxes except for one are finally in. I've been waiting so long to do an unboxing for you guys, so for today's video, that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. Now I know a lot of unboxings are already floating around on the internet. I'm all the way up here in Canada, so we tend to receive the shipments a lot later than everyone else. We actually did okay this time around, guys. On the website was a beautiful process. There was no craziness. I got everything I wanted, and even the shipping was way better this time. And from what I've seen from the mystery boxes, I think Jeffree spiced it up this year. I don't think we're getting the exact same items in every single tier like we did all the other years, so I really feel like this unboxing is going to be enjoyable. Also, guys, it is finally that time. I'm gonna be announcing my giant mystery box winner. As you guys know, every time Jeffree does a mystery box of his own or he does a giant launch, I do a big mystery box filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics for one lucky subscriber. Now guys, this time, I know I always say it, I'm so annoying. This time though, this box, I personally think that I would scream for approximately an hour after receiving this box. Whoever the winner is, who you guys are gonna find out at the end, you are going to be shook. I am so happy for you. But yeah, guys, if you wanna know who won my mystery box giveaway, stick around to the very end of the video. And without any further ado, let's jump in and see what I got. All right, guys, so like I mentioned, I purchased mystery boxes from all three tiers because I was super nervous that I wasn't gonna get a box. My husband actually ordered 2 deluxe boxes on top of the 1 deluxe I already ordered. So I have a total of 3 deluxe. Unfortunately, I only have 2 of them with me now, so I wouldn't be able to check what we got in that one, but I didn't want to wait anymore. I know you guys are so anxious to know what I've received in my mystery boxes, as well as to know who the winner of this giveaway is. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the baby box. So this one, guys, goes for $25. There should be 3 items in here, and there's no exclusive items. So let's jump right in and see what I got. There's some pretty paper here, like Halloween-y paper. So let's see. Oh, okay guys, what? Dude, he did so much better with these mystery boxes this year. From everyone I've saw, there's such wearable colors in here. So in this box, we have the Velour liquid lipstick of Unicorn Blood. So I actually just recently tried this shade when he sent out the Velvet Trap lipsticks. Was the first time I actually tried Unicorn Blood. I know it's one of his best-selling ones. I understand why now. It is absolutely beautiful. I do not have it in the Velvet Liquid Lip formula, so I'm so excited to include this into my collection. And the fact that he included the matching Unicorn Blood liner, like, I love that. I do not own this. I freaking love the color, like I mentioned, and now I can pair these two together perfectly. Jeffree, you really did well with these boxes. Already, I'm on my first one. I'm already super impressed. And the last item in here is the gloss in the shade Wet Peach. So let's just do a quick little swatch. Ooh, it is really sparkly, really vibrant. Let me show you guys here. It looks like it has like it looks overall pink, but there's some type of yellow peachy duochrome to it. It is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see, but I am living. This is so nice. I love, and it's one of his original glosses. It's not necessarily from one of the collections because the packaging is for the standard one. Love. Wow. Already definitely worth 25 bucks. I'm super happy. All right, let's move on to the next tier. So this is the premium box. So let's see what we got. Off the bat, boom, we have a gorgeous beanie. It's so cute, and it's not too Halloween-y that you couldn't wear it the rest of the year. You know what I mean? Like, it is so pretty. It's useful. I walk my dog all the time. This is bomb. The next item in the box. Ooh, we have another the gloss. This is in shade Shockwave. So let's take a look at how that is. So this one up here was Wet Peach. This is Shockwave here. I don't know if you can see, it is so pretty. I really like it. It's more subtle and more like baby doll pink versus that first color. I really like this one, probably a little bit more than that original one. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. So I've never tried this shade before. This is the shade Leo in his Velour Liquid Lip. I did receive the Nude Vault, and it was the first time I tried Leo, and I was instantly hooked. Like, I knew I was gonna order it in the full size, and now I don't have to. I love this shade, guys. A beautiful neutral. I really, really like this liquid lip formula. It's different than other formulas. You guys probably already know and probably already own a bunch, but it's different than other formulas because it doesn't fully dry down, in my opinion. Like, you'll always be able to smack your lips together and there's a little bit of a stick, and I really enjoy that. Like, before I really liked very, very matte liquid lips, but now because I'm a little bit older, the lips are a little getting aging, I don't want to emphasize those lines, and these liquid lips look so good on, so unique. Absolutely love the shade Leo. Obsessed. Next item in here is Posh Spice, the Velour Lip Liner. It's so beautiful, a really unique color. I don't want to swatch it because I don't know if I'll be keeping it. I think it might be a little bit too light for me, but it is a super, super pretty color. The last item in this box, I know a lot of people got Androgyny, a lot of people got Beauty Killer, so I'm really interested to see what I got for this box. Oh my gosh, guys. Blue Blood is in here. Wow, guys, what a beautiful palette. I don't need to reiterate it. You guys have seen the palette a million times. It's the absolutely perfect addition to any collection, guys. Everyone's gonna need blues. Well, I mean, not everyone, I guess, if you like to play with color. I personally love having this in my collection. Such a beautiful palette. So that's it for the premium box. Let's move on to the deluxe and see what we got. Okay, so there's two deluxes. I'm gonna open one and then I'll glance through one. If it's a repeat of this, then we're not gonna go through obviously each and every item. But again, guys, I have been seeing varying palettes in here, so let's see what we got. Okay, oh my god, oh my god. This is the box I'm most excited for. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, guys. This is so much nicer in person. So this is one of the limited edition items that he's included. This is a beautiful tie-dye t-shirt. It has this giant web logo on the back of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo, as well as on the front. It feels so soft. Okay, this is the first t-shirt I've got from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I have a sweater, I have a robe. These are really good quality, dude. I really like them. I can see myself wearing this all the live long day. I love the tie-dye. I love everything. Jeffree, bomb. Let's see what else we got. Are you kidding me? This is Legends Only, the gloss, guys. Wow. This is one of my favorite glosses. It currently lives in my purse, which means I already have it, which means somebody could be getting it. I don't know. But I absolutely love this color. It's one of those daily, no sparkle, just like, no, there actually is a little bit of a sparkle, but it's not in your face. It's a very neutral, just a pretty glossy, wet looking lip. I'm absolutely in love with this. I'm so happy that he sent, like, wow, with these shades this year, like, they are so wearable and nice. Usually you're getting like those like crazier shades, you know what I mean? But this year he's included such wearable, nice shades. I'm obsessed. All right, the next item in the box is a Velour Lip Scrub. This is in the shade. This is in the strawberry gum flavor. I absolutely love these, guys. I already have a bunch. They're so, so good. They make your lips super soft, and I'm really excited to try this flavor. I think it's gonna be delish. I love strawberry. Next, we have Calabasas Velour Lip Liner, as well as a Weirdo lipstick. Now, first of all, Calabasas has to be one of my favorite shades he's ever put out, and I do not have the liners, so like I am so pumped to have this. It's so beautiful. Love the liners. I did a dedicated video all about the liners, guys. If you want to know more about the formula or anything else, I did a full dedicated video. I even compared his old formula to the newly improved formula, so you guys can really see. But Calabasas is a beautiful color. Again, I am shook at the colors he's included in here. Wow, love. So Weirdo, guys. Funny story about Weirdo. I had never worn black lipstick till before this year, and I don't know if you can tell, I'm wearing Medieval Kiss. This is part of the new collection. I don't know if you can tell, but I've become obsessed. I love the way a black liquid lipstick looks on my face, the way it makes me feel. For some reason, I've never felt more confident than when I'm in a black lip. Maybe a red lip, but other than that, guys, Love this. I think it's great because you can also use this on your eyes. It's eye safe and it's just so beautiful. If you ever just want to go out there, be a little bold, be a little different, even if it's just for your own sake. It is so fun to be able to play with colors like this, and I love that Jeffree caters to that. Weirdo is beautiful. Obsessed. Ooh, okay, so this is a lip balm. So this must be one of the other exclusive items that was included. So I've seen a little bit about this. Does this not look like it was supposed to be included with the cremated collection? I don't know, like it really looks like it, but I don't have a lip balm from him. I don't even have that one that he put out with Shane Dawson. So I am so happy to have this. I do believe there's a slight tint to it. Let's just take a look. So it is such a beautiful component, and it's black. Of course it's black. I just want to give it a quick swatch. You're not really going to be seeing a lot on the lips of the actual black, but there is a little bit of a tint of that there. It smells just the way his other lip products do. I think this is so pretty and I'm so excited to rock it with the rest of the Velvet Trap shades. I'm obsessed. Oh, an Extreme Frost, another item I don't own. And it's in the shade Gag Me. Oh my gosh, this faux leather moment. As we know, this has to be vegan because everything from JSC is vegan. This is so much prettier in person. I am literally shook. So I think this was like the pinkish, Gag Me was the pinkish one. I could be wrong. Let's give it a quick swatch here. I don't even want to touch. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is the most intense shit I've ever seen. Oh my God. This is gonna look so nice as an eyeshadow topper. Can you guys see what this is doing? I'm shook. This is shocking. I love this. Oh my gosh, Jeffree, thank you so much for including these in the boxes so we all have a chance to try. I am literally obsessed with this. All right, guys, let's see what the final last item is, which is gonna be which palette we got. Bam, we got the Bloodlust palette. I'm actually wearing the Bloodlust palette today. I love this, the artistry behind it, the way the packaging is. Let's not even talk about the way the inside looks like. I'm shook. Such a beautiful palette. I'm so happy to have it in my collection. I seriously could stare at this, just this unicorn outer packaging all the live long day. I think it is so beautiful. Obsessed. Wow, guys, that was a sick box. I think out of all the tiers, the deluxe one is the best. This one went for 100, the middle one went for 60, and the smallest one went for 25. I think the prices were really fair. I feel like, wow, shook. But we do have one last final box left. What I'm gonna do is quickly look through this last box I have left. Because it's an exact box of this, I feel like it probably will be a duplicate, but I wanna look, and if it's not, then I'll definitely share some of the items with you. That second deluxe box was an exact duplicate of the box I just showed you, so we're not gonna go into that each item. But now, what you've been waiting for, time to announce the winner. But before we get into who has won the giveaway, let's find out what is inside this. You're not ready. You are not ready. First of all, let's take one moment here to absolutely, like, Ian, every single time we do a mystery box, he really takes it there. This time is no exception. Can we look at the way he decorated this? I am freaking shook. His attention to detail is just like Jeffree's. He always makes everything 10 times better. I'm obsessed with the way this mystery box looks. It is the perfect Halloween mystery box. Okay, but let's see what's in it. That's the big part. Let's see what's in it. First things first, let's start with the little guys. So first we have a pop socket from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I know, whatever, but like it's really nice to actually have them on hand. They're super cool. I use them all the time. I have a bunch. So one of these. And next we have Coroner's Kiss. This is a gloss that was included in the cremated collection. Absolutely beautiful. Congrats to the winner. You're gonna love this. Beautiful formula. Everything on par, guys. Stunning. We have a bunch of lip items in here. Let's go through them one by one. So we have first Weirdo. I went on and on about how much I love it. It's a great addition to any collection. And we have Karma. It's a really unique khaki green color. I really feel like, guys, the next collection coming is going to be a green collection. This is going to be the perfect match with that. getting really revved up and amped up for that collection. So yeah, guys, this is a beautiful velour liquid lip, and the next item that's included. Next item is Calabasas. This is one of the velour lip liners. It's absolutely stunning, guys. A perfect addition to anyone's collection. It's one of my favorite colors that he's put out. Ever since I've tried it, have been gravitating towards Calabasas. Super happy. I also have the liner, and now you do too. Next item is Legends Only Gloss. This is a beautiful gloss. I touched briefly on it when I was opening the boxes. It is the perfect nude gloss. Like I said, mine lives in my bag. And the last lip item is the exclusive that came in the bigger box. This is called Widow. It's a lip balm. As you guys saw, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a limited edition item that he said was only going to be included in the mystery boxes. It does look like it was originally supposed to be part of the cremated collection. I can't confirm on that, but either way, you're going to love having this, guys. You're only going to be able to get it from these boxes, so it's super exclusive. Let's move on to the next items. So next, I had to, of course, with all of those lip products, I had to include a scrub for you guys. So I have included the Velour Lip Scrub. This is in the shade Strawberry, and you're going to love it, guys. I own a bunch of different flavors. They make your lips so super soft, you're gonna be obsessed. That was already a decent box. Like, that's already over like $150 worth, but we are not even close to done. The next item in the box, bam, this is a beautiful, beautiful mirror. This was part of the Orgy collection. This is the Champagne Star mirror. It's absolutely stunning, guys. I own so many of Jeffree's mirrors. I use more than one every single time I do my makeup because I'm always reaching, leaving stuff. You know how crazy messy it gets. Love, love, love this. Congrats to the winner. You're going to absolutely be obsessed and use this all the time. Now we're getting to the good stuff. We are including, bam, an extreme frost. This is so luxurious, so beautiful. As you guys saw, I already swatched the Gag Me shade. This is another one of those, so you're going to get this, you lucky winner. For me personally, I won't be wearing these on my face, but as eyeshadow toppers, I don't think I've seen anything shine like this. So beautiful, so expensive. All right, and the next item is Blue Blood. You know I had to include this once I got it in my box. I already own this myself. I use it all the time, and I want to gift this to someone because you're going to love having this in your collection. It's just such a unique palette. And then boom, Bloodlust as well. 2 palettes, you know I went there. This is absolutely beautiful. Now you have your little blue moment, you have your purple moment, and that's a bomb box. Like honestly, I would trip out if I got that box. I think you guys can all agree it's an absolutely amazing box, but I wanted to include one last final item, and that is Thirsty. You are getting, winner, 3 palettes in here. This is absolutely the best box I've ever done. This guy is no longer available. This has been untouched, brand new. You are going to love this, guys. This is such a coveted palette. I know it was only around for a little bit and it's no longer available, but so many people who have it truly enjoy it. To me, it is the perfect tropical palette. And then you have that unique formula of those glitters down the middle. Congratulations to the winner. I'm gonna throw up your name here. Thank you so much for your dedicated support. It means so much to me. Thank you. I hope you enjoy each and every one of these items so much. Guys, please don't be discouraged if you did not win this time around. As you guys know and can clearly tell, I do giveaways all the time here on my channel. I love and I'm obsessed with Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I really love sharing that with you guys, especially those of you who can't necessarily get it for yourself or you just have never tried it. I love doing these, and I'm gonna be doing a ton more, so definitely, guys, stick around, stay tuned. We have a brand new collection coming in November, so you already know we're gonna be doing a great giveaway here. I am so excited to see what's in store. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, congratulations to the winner. I'm so happy for you. I can't be more happy for you. Honestly, if I got something like this, I would freak out. Please, if you haven't already, give this video a like if you liked everything I got in my boxes. If you liked the box I gave away, please give this video a like. Leave me some comments down below. What did you guys think of this giveaway? What did you think of it compared to my other giveaways? Are you tripping out as much as I was even just putting the box together? And please, guys, make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe so I can keep doing these giveaways for you guys. And I will catch you on on the next video. Bye guys!